Hey, what's up, my friend? So, in today's episode, I want to share with you 5 Market Wizards' secrets to trading success. So, here's the deal, right? Market Wizards is one of the first few books that I've read, when I got started in trading. I read the entire series, right? The original Market Wizards, the new Market Wizards, the stock Market Wizards, the hedge fund Market Wizards, and I even read them a couple of times for certain books, right? A few times, actually. So, what I've realized is that, after studying so many different types of successful traders, there are 5 common things, right, that actually is appearing over and over again, no matter what type of trader they are. So I want to share with you what are these 5 things, or what are these 5 secrets. So secret number 1, you must find a trading strategy that suits you. So here's the thing, right? Often, trader, they think there's a best trading strategy out there. There's only, certain way to make money from the markets, or certain markets that can be traded, some markets cannot be traded, yada yada. But that's not true. If you look and study this group of market wizards, all of them, you realize that their trading strategy really vary from trader to trader. For example, you got Paul Tudor Jones. He's a macroeconomic trader. So he look at the macro factors in the world and then make trading decisions of it. Okay, then you have Marty Schwartz, right? He is a day trader. He trades very short term, just relying on technical analysis and nothing else. Then you have Ed Sakota. He's a trend follower. He writes trends, for weeks or even months, right, across the different futures market. So there's so many different type of trading styles, and each of these traders, they found success with it. That tells you something, right? That there are many ways to make money from the markets, and you got to find a way that suits you best. So my recommendation is, if you have not read Market Wizards, go and read it, study these traders, study their trading methodology, and ask yourself, which of these trading methodologies suit you. Then go down to maybe Amazon or Google, find books on it, read those books, dive in deeper to these trading strategies and techniques, and see if it's something that will work for you. Okay, that's a good way to get started. Number 2, Market Wizards, all of them manage their risk. I have not come across any, right, who takes risk management, as a joke, right? All of them treat it seriously. In fact, that's the consistent denominator across this group of market wizards. They have a plan for exit. They always plan their downside. Of course, they have different ways of doing so. Some use a stop loss, some use a time stop, some rebalance their portfolio and stuff like that. But whatever the case is, right, they always plan their downside. They always plan, right, how much they can potentially lose. Okay, that's number 2, right? Manage your downside, manage your risk. Number 3, give yourself time, right? If you read Market Wizards, you know that it takes time, right, for them to find success. Often, traders, right, retail trader, let me join a weekend course, right? Study a weekend course, Rayner, and I can start making money next month, or, maybe selling options, okay? Recurring income, passive income, blah, blah, blah. Goodness, Market Wizards, the best of the best out there, most of them spend years, right, honing their craft. They spend years, right, trying to become a profitable trader. For example, Marty Schwartz, he mentioned, right, something along these lines. I could be wrong, but he said, I spent 9 long years as a fundamental analyst, right, and I didn't make a single cent. On my 10th year, I adopted technical analysis and I became a profitable trader ever since. So this tells you that, the learning curve, it is long. I'm not trying to bash saying, fundamental analysis is useless, it's wrong, but clearly, right, for a market wizard like Marty Schwartz, that didn't work for him. Okay, and it took him 9 long years, the grind, the hustle, right, the hard work, right, before he found trading success. So if you are looking at trading for the next, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, then maybe this is not for you, right? You got to look at it for the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, because this is where the big money is made, where you can start to compound your returns. And I'll talk about big money later on, right? But really, give yourself ample time in trading. If you want to be a doctor, you would spend at least 6 years in medical school, after that, a few more years being a resident before you can finally be a qualified doctor, For trading, what do you expect? You can't expect a miracle within a few weeks or a few months, or a weekend course, okay? Next one, right? Number 4, be 100% committed. So a number of these market wizards, they are the go all in type, right? So I've read a few cases where they actually borrowed money from family and friends, right, to fund their trading account, and they just went all in, right? And I'm happy for them because they found success eventually. But I don't recommend you do this where you borrow money from people to go all in and trade, because you might not end up as lucky or as blessed as them, right? So don't do that, right? But the mindset that you have, I want you to go all in, give it everything that you have, right? To study the markets, to learn how to become a better trader, to be a responsible trader, take accountability, you record your trades, you journal your trades, you improve your edge. That's what I want you to do, to go 100% all in. Not borrowing money from people, but the mindset here, to go all in. That's important. No matter what you do, whether it's trading, whether it's going to business, whether it's trying to win the Olympics, whatever, you have to have the go all in approach. That's how a professional trader would think about trading. And finally, the fifth thing, number 5, the big money. Right? I've studied all this market research, and the big money is made not by trading your own account. It's made by managing other people's money. Paul Tudor Jones, Ray Dalio, George Soros, they all own their own hedge funds. They all manages people money, and they're all billionaires. So that's the secret, right? If you really want to make the big money out there, it's not trading your retail account. It's not I don't know, selling courses, right? I know there are traders, market wizards who sell courses. It's not wrong. But if you really want to make the big money, it's in managing other people's money. So that's a route that, again, it's not for everyone. Some people don't want to go down the route of managing people's money. There's a lot of regulations. There's a lot of red tape, a lot of hurdles to overcome. Some might be happy with just, trading for themselves. Some might be happy with just, having an online following, a tribe where they, offer courses to help other traders. There is no right or wrong way. It's all up to you. And kind of bring back to point number 1. You got to find a trading strategy that suits you. And again, you got to find a trading methodology, a trading, I would say the trading outcome, right, that you want. Do you want to be someone who manages billions of dollars, or do you want to be someone who is happy just trading for himself, or do you want to be someone who is looking to inspire the next generation of traders, etc. Okay, so quick recap, right? Number 1, right, find a trading strategy that suits you. Number 2, always manage your downside. Number 3, give yourself time. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Number 4, be 100% committed. And number 5, if you really want to make the big money, it's in managing other people's money. Okay, so with that said, I wish you good luck and good trading. I'll talk to you soon.